Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2019 Ford Transit Connect. This one comes to you in red with a nice sporty striped exterior as well. This is a long wheelbase model and I will just take you around the vehicle now. This does come with cruise control, hands-free cooling as well as Bluetooth, 2 heated part leather seats on the inside, a 6-speed manual transmission. Just under 27,000 miles upon the clock. Air conditioning as well, just down there. And just to show you into the load area in the back, this is felt lined, interior lit, cargo rings to turn out any load you may want to carry as well. And I will just show you this space from the back as well. Now, as you can see, it is plentiful for space for such a small van. This is, of course, only 5-doored as well. Now, if you would like to find out more about this van, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. Give us a call or come down to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, where you can discover this van. And you never know, you may find another Connect you might like slightly more. And there we are. Hopefully this will be on your driveway one day.